Hello and welcome to this, what is actually quite a short video. Normally I wouldn't video the installation of an outdoor socket. It's one of the more simpler jobs to do really. But this one had a unique problem. Normally when I try and do an outdoor socket, I try and do it so that there's a socket on the inner wall and then I just have to go through. But in this particular case I couldn't precisely do that, and the reason is there was a shed the other side of the wall, so I couldn't actually physically get the cable out and round, or at least I didn't think I could. So I hope you enjoy this this video. It's as I say, it's a bit shorter, but I think it has a unique solution which I thought you might be interested in. So let's go and have a look, shall we? Okay. Welcome to this one. Normally I wouldn't do such a simple job as putting in a outside socket, but this has got a unique problem because on the opposite side of this wall is a shed, so we can't actually fit the outdoor socket opposite this. As you can see, this is a ring on a ring final. Now you can see that I've actually drilled out the back plate, and I've used a step drill to do that. Really good stuff. Got that from Screwfix. That's a small one, and that's the large one. That does wonders for doing this sort of thing. So I didn't need to take the back box out, so I've drilled that out. So I'm going to drill through the wall in a second, and I'll do that. But to get around the problem, because the actual box is going to sit over there, and there's no way I could get a cable out through there to get over there. So what I'm doing is I'm using that, some Flexicon. So we're going to drill through there. I'm just going to go outside very quickly and have a look and see where we go next. Make sure I'm not going to hit anything, because as you can see we've got the aerial socket there. So I'm just going to go and check where we can drill through. Pass it again. Right, so we've got the drill through. As we can see, where I've lost it. Can you see it? There it is. Yeah, you can just about see where that drill's come through. So it's come through on that line. So we can use that mortar line to line everything up. That's good. That's handy. So yeah. So that's a 10mm bit that's gone through there. So we'll just get that hole bigger, you know, for the Flexicon to come through, and we'll go from there. Right. So there's the 20mm drill. It's a bit out of focus, I think. And no brick blowout, because I've come out through the joints. That's even better. Now I think I might have to go up one more size to get the Flexicon through, but we'll see. If all else fails, grab the shed and move it. Right. Right. Maybe we can pull that cable through now. Okay, so there we are. So after a bit of tugging and pulling, we've finally got it out. So we're going to mount that onto there. As you see, we've got the twin and earth. Now normally I'd do singles, but I'm doing twin and earth with this one, just for any protection really. So yeah, so we've got that on there now, so we need to get that clipped to the wall, and then we can get the box on here. Well, little flaw, just opened up the BG weatherproof box, and everything's there except the screws to fit that to that. Well, that's no good. Well, we can get everything else done. We can wire it up and we can get it on the wall, and then at least I can get the power back onto their house. But then I'm going to have to go and damn, that's not helpful. Okay, so there's the box on, 2.5mm cable in, and you can see got a nice, they come with nice connectors, these the kits, that just clips on to the end, and then got a lock nut to thread onto the end, and it's all locked in. It's all IP rated as well. So yeah, it's gone really well. So I just need to get it all tidied up at this end, and then get it all in the other end. So there we go, all done, all tested. I think it's quite smart. Oh, that's quite an elegant solution, that, for a rather thorny problem. And before anybody asks, yes, I did move the shed a little bit, but that's as far as it would move, otherwise it would be off its foundations, so there was no way I was going to get a drill in there. Yeah, if anyone asks, but you moved the shed, you could put it, no, that's as far as it was going to move. Anyway, so yeah, I'm happy with that. So we'll see you on the next job. So there we go, nice and short this time, but I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.